I did not come here knowing what to expect. Rooterville, a small sanctuary in the middle of Florida between Gainesville and Jacksonville.
We live in the wagon. Welcome to the wagon.
Nearly 100 rescued animals, pigs, cows, horses, goats, animals that were forgotten or worse. And then someone gave them a home.
No.
What strikes me is how calm everything is here. These animals are not afraid of people. They walk toward you. They look at you. There is one pig. Her name was Stella. She fell from a transport truck on the way to slaughter. No one would take care of her. Rooterville did. She changed everything about what this place became.
Got me wasted on you. Ice cream, my brain is freezing. Keep breathing and now I'm sinking under. Can you take me under? Give a look and I'm gone like a breeze when the heat is rising. Knock me off my feet. I don't know what you done to me, but I know you taste like summer, and that's all I need.
Wow, he loves it, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, Kim, look at him.
Her eyes roll back in her head. It's so funny.
Do they know you or?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, of course they do.
And they have, each of them, they have a name or?
Yeah, this is Penny, and that's Zoe, and that's Phoebe.
So, if you call them, they know their name? Oh, yeah?
They do. And that's Jet. Jet like an airplane.
Do they lose their hair in summertime or not?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah?
They're shedding right now.
Ah.
They have two coats of hair. They have a fluffy undercoat, and then they have their long hair. That's the overcoat. So they'll keep their long hair, but the fluffy undercoat they're shedding out.
And that's all I need to love you.
Really, bear
Yeah.
also.
Bears
The black bear?
Wow, bear also.
And they never get inside, no? Because of the dog? Really? Wow.
Yeah, he'll go over the fence. He can get in all the areas, so he keeps them out. He won't even let, like, the eagles fly over The vultures fly over and he keeps them away too. He won't let them land.
Dog.
Yeah, he keeps everything out. Even the sandhill cranes. The sandhill cranes come in our pasture here, and if he sees them, he chases them away.
Wow, that's cool.
But he was not aggressive with us?
Oh, no, not at
No?
all. No, he loves them.
I got milk with you walking away, yeah. Save myself. Save myself. Save myself.
You handsome boy. Handsome boy.
Holding my head again. Making my way
Handsome
through
boy.
crowded. Sometimes it's hard
Handsome
to get
boy.
out of it.
Handsome boy.
Broke my heart in the dark. I was just trying to feel something.
This one is impressive, huh?
Yes, he is.
Wow.
This guy.
Always used to let you clean up the messes. Down on my knees, thought I couldn't stand up on my own. Turns out sometimes you're stronger alone. Bringing out the fight, yeah, bring on all the lightning. 'Cause I'm looking for a hero. Look inside the mirror.
Kim, look this way. Kim. Perfect. Oh, that's
There's the turkey and the babies. This one's, yeah, it's the mason right there. They're nice. She makes all these pretty beautiful noises.
Really?
Yeah, when she'll sit and talk to you.
Now I'm 10 feet tall over my demons. Reminding no one's got me like myself. Yeah, I love me without any help. I'm the best thing to believe in. Oh, I'm bringing out the fight, yeah, bring on all the lightning. 'Cause I'm looking for a hero. Look inside the mirror, I find one. Oh, carry the hurt when it gets too hard. Pick it up, dust it off. When I fall down 11, I get up 12. Don't need nobody else. Yeah.
If you are in Florida and you need to remember that the world is still good, come here. It will not take long, but you will not forget it.